the lamp. Let this light spread some happiness and success in all our lives. members of the We wish them a good luck. Next, the prize is the last day. We wish them a good luck. Following the track is the new sports minister from class 8. We wish them a good luck.
Next, the prize is the new cultural ministers of the and Ms. Sheikh Udasana from class 8.
We wish them a good luck. Next, the Praveen from class 9 is the Sri Vishnukanti Reddy from class 8. We wish them a good luck.
E.V. Shiva from class 9 and B. Chakri from class 8.
We wish them a good luck. Following from class 9 is K. Taisha from class 8. We wish them
They turn for assistance at any time. All the students are placed in the 4 houses and all the activities, academic and co-curricular.
marching forward is the Mahatma Gandhi House in blazing red. Red is the symbol of love, courage, sacrifice, victory and honor. They are creative and highly talented. They stand strong and united. The captain of the Mahatma Gandhi House is the ex-Kartik from class 9 and the vice captain is Miss Rajna from
Stepping forward now is the Jawaharlal Nehru in prolific green. Green is the symbol of presence, growth and harmony. They are always ready, raring to go and always achieve their goals. They are constantly good performers in academics as well as in sports. The captain of the Jawaharlal Nehru House is Ms. B. Archana from class 9 and the vice captain is Mr. M. Ajit from class
dependable and relaxation. They are involved in many of the co-curricular activities coming to their goals. The captain of the Mother Teresa House is Mr. A. Chandu from class 9 and the vice captain is class 8.
Up next, by the they truly stand out. They shine with the qualities of perseverance, faith in one another, and Myself, Kasi, SP of the school. Our duties and responsibilities are
being punctual, maintain discipline in whole school.
being punctual, maintain discipline in whole school, helping teachers, be a role model to other students. SP elements, assistant, senior, patrol leaders in the access of SPL. My duties and responsibilities are to work in the absence of the SPL. Thank you. Myself Chandrika. Myself Fahim. We are speakers of our school. Our duties and responsibilities are no partiality must be practiced among the students. Checking the duties of the ministers. Giving awareness to the students. Encouraging students of all aspects. Thank you. Myself Pranit, Environment Minister. Myself Mohini Lakshmi, Assistant Environment Minister. Our duties and responsibilities are maintain the school campus neatly, planting new plants in campus, giving awareness about the environment, passing no harm to the environment. Myself Amira, Educational Minister. Myself Parveen, Assistant Education Minister. Our duties and responsibilities are playing active role in educational association, encouraging special students in a positive manner, motivating each student in school campus, taking care of overall education in school. Thank you. Myself Kadir, Culturation Minister. Myself Pavya, Assistant Cultural Minister. Our duties and responsibilities are playing an active role in cultural activities. Checking that no students escape for participating in cultural activities. Giving awareness about the importance of the day. Thank you. Playing an active role in all cultural activities. Thank you. Myself Sophia, Social Welfare Minister. Myself Mokshit, Assistant Social Welfare Minister. Our duties and responsibilities are helping underprivileged children, motivating school children, giving equal opportunities to all the students and make them to participate in all activities, conducting necessary programs. Thank you. Myself Rekha, Food Minister. Myself Venkatesh, Assistant Food Minister. Our duties and responsibilities are bringing awareness about values of food, no wastage of food, teach them good eating habits, encourage them to eat fruits and avoid junk foods. Thank you. Myself Shashidhar, Sports Minister. Myself Jayasri, Assistant Sport Minister. Our duties and responsibilities are check whether sports things are handled properly, check availability of sports resources, make a record of each and every competition, giving opportunities to all students to participate. Thank you. Myself Charita, Cleanliness Minister. Myself Vasudha, Assistant Cleanliness Minister. Our duties and responsibilities are be neatly and tidy always, make proper use of dustbin, check students come in proper uniform, maintaining the whole school and campus and classrooms
Assistant Discipline Minister Sheikh Riyad.
Education Minister M.V. Satvika. Assistant Education Minister P. Nisipriya. Sports Minister M.V. Anupriya. Assistant Sports Minister D. Rajesh Reddy. Cultural Minister V. Tanusha. Assistant Cultural Minister Sheikh Khulasana.
Assistant Food Minister B. Vishwagandhi. Environmental Minister T. Venkata Shiva.
Assistant Environmental Minister B. Chakri. Welfare Minister T. Akshaya. Assistant Welfare Minister K. Saisha.
Mahatma Gandhi House Captain S. Karthik.
Mahatma Gandhi House Vice Captain S. Pujita. Jawaharlal Nehru House Captain B. Archana.
Jawaharlal Nehru House Vice Captain M. Ajit Kumar. Mother Teresa House Captain A. Chandu.
Mother Teresa House Vice Captain G. Charita.
Subhash Chandra Bose House Captain E. Dilip.
Subhash Chandra Bose House Vice Captain M. Harshita.
Having been nominated a member of the Council of Sarvat High School, do say in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will be true and owe allegiance to the rules and regulations of the authority of the school, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Thank you all to invite me for this occasion. Are you comfortable with Telugu? Okay, thank you. వాస్తవంగా ఈ ఫంక్షన్లో అంటే నాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదు, మా స్టాఫ్ బలవంతంగా తీసుకొచ్చారు. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ షేర్ మై సమ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఆర్ మెమరీస్ విత్ యూ. 2 నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడతాను నేను. మై లైఫ్ ఈజ్ మై మెసేజ్ అని ఎవరు చెప్పారు? ఇంకా ఐడియా ఉందా? మై లైఫ్ ఈజ్ మై మెసేజ్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈజ్. నా జీవితం ఒక మెసేజ్ వాస్తవంగా చెప్పుకుంటే అది మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను. కొద్దిగా ఓపికతో 2 మాటలు చెప్తాను. ఇది నాకు 4వ ఉద్యోగం, 4వ జాబ్, గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్. ఫస్ట్ విఆర్ఓ చేశాను, విలేజ్ రెవెన్యూ ఆఫీసర్. తర్వాత రైల్వేలో స్టేషన్ మాస్టర్ చేశాను. తర్వాత డిప్యూటీ జైలు వచ్చింది, వెళ్ళలేదు. సబ్ ఇన్స్పెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ పోలీస్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ఈ అకేషన్కి చీఫ్ గెస్ట్గా రావడం నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు. సో ఐ కాంట్ రీచ్ మై గోల్. నేను ఆ లక్ష్యాన్ని చేరేంత వరకు నేను చీఫ్ గెస్ట్గా ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళకూడదని నేను నిర్ణయించుకున్నాను. బట్ ఈరోజు రావాల్సి వచ్చింది అనుకోకుండా. ఓకే, నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే 2 మాటలు చెప్తాను. బిలీవ్ ఇన్ గాడ్, మెయింటైన్ డిసిప్లైన్, ఫోకస్ ఆన్ యువర్ గోల్. ఈ 3 మాటలు నేను చెబుతాను. ఇది మీకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైనా అర్థం కాకపోయినా తర్వాత మెమరైజ్ చేసుకుని దీన్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. యూ విల్ బి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఇన్ లైఫ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
To the newly elected Sports Minister M.V. Anupriya and Assistant Sports Minister E. Rajesh Reddy. Yes, Karthik, and Vice Captain S. Pujita. Next, former captain to the newly elected members, Jawaharlal Nehru House Captain E. Archana and Assistant Vice Let's give up our hands.
Morning. And I take this opportunity to congratulate the new leaders. Anyway, it is my duty also. Anyway, but I didn't prepare for it because this program first time I am attending, so I didn't know more about it. So anyway, I wish all the new leaders and the former leaders also, I wish them thank you. And also new leaders, I wish them congratulations and also all the best in the coming year. In all, what all you have taken a oath and you have taken the responsibilities, you all will keep up. So all the best, okay? And this program also was nicely arranged by the teachers and all the students, and you all were cooperating. So I wish you all the best and thank you so much. Huh? Still, you all have to continue still. And I see that leaders, many are girls only. Why the boys didn't come out? So boys also wishing, you all have to come in front, okay? All the best. Thank you.
Present here. I stand here as a proud and grateful student to express my heartfelt thanks to all of those who made this event possible. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks of knowledge of contribution to those who have worked hard to make this investiture ceremony happen. I would like to thank our respected principal, Sister Esther Flora Mary, who is the backbone of our school, who is guiding in our initiatives and supportive and encourage us to strive for excellence. I would like to thank our teachers and sisters for guiding or imparting wisdom and knowledge to us and nurturing our talent. Their unbounding support has led us to this event possible. I would like to thank each and every one of you for your hard work and participation in making this event a grand success. I would like to congratulate our newly elected cabinet members of our school, and I wish that you will fulfill your duties and responsibilities